Hello again, and thank you so much for coming by to check out my unboxing of the second bundle that I purchased in the FabFitFun Spring Edit Sale 2022. This bundle has a number of 2201 MYS023. Let's go ahead and get right into the bundle. Our first item out today is the Aromatherapy Associates De-Stress Muscle Gel. I'm really looking forward to use this. I do have a lingering muscle issue in my left shoulder, and I think this will give me some relief. At least I'm hoping it will. And I was going to open it, but I think I'll just leave it closed for now. Set it to the side and move along to the next item because it's sealed up pretty well. We'll get to the back of the box to get this little tube. And this is a Juice Beauty Brow Envy Gel. And I definitely need this because my eyebrows are next to invisible. It comes in this cute shiny tube. And the color is perfect. That is going straight into my makeup bag as soon as I'm done with this video. Next item up is a sponge gel from the Botanica collection. Lavender scent. And it comes in this really cute lavender colored butterfly shape. And I may have to go away for a couple of days coming up here, so that will come in handy. I'll throw that into my overnight bag. Last item out is a mystery item in this plain brown box. It's got my curiosity piqued, so let's go ahead and take a look. And this is a really nice 3-wick candle inside of a tin, and it's blackberry scented, and let me take a sniff. Smells amazing. A lot of the times when I get candles I use them for gifting, but I honestly think I'm keeping this one for me because I'm already in love with the smell. And it's a soy candle, which is really nice. Those are usually pretty clean burning. And I love the 3 wicks. So let's just take a look at everything here. We've got the candle, the sponge gel, the brow gel, and the muscle rub. So overall, I think that's a pretty good bundle. I'm pretty impressed with that. Thank you so much for stopping by and watching my video. I hope to see you again soon. Take care and have a great night.